Okay. No, I don't have time, Rowan. I don't have time. I don't have time. Ah! Adult wizard. Wow, he really does look like a hobo. I can see why the kids would be worried about him. He's living at a shack. So yeah, really a hobo. On the subject of werewolf puppies. Hey, was I not supposed to show up? Are you evil? You look like a hobo. Maybe you shouldn't be here. She has a high empathy level. You can trust her. Okay, so Lupin. I was saying lupus. I was close. I've never had a friend before. I mean... What? I thought we were friends, Chiara! Okay, never mind. I guess we are friends. So Lupin himself didn't trust to tell, Dumbledore? Yes, Snape mentioned that. So what did they do when you were at... Oh, no, wait, that's right, you're buddies. No. I had to spend any, gems. And still, here we are. Whee! I thought we already mentioned that. You're a werewolf? Didn't you read the books? What books? Oh, right, sorry. Not yet. Heaven forbid he should ask Dumbledore for help. You're a hobo. Of course you couldn't afford the ingredients. Maybe I shouldn't say that. He probably can't afford to live anywhere because he'd just kill all the people there and he'd feel terrible about it. Yeah, right. Yes, I have questions about werewolf puppies. Like... It's my shonen way! Or, no, shinobi way. Sweet. Oh, well, I respect that he wasn't just taking her potions from her. Well, she thought she attacked a kid because she didn't use her wolfbane potions last time. Doesn't necessarily help someone else if you endanger yourself. It was irresponsible. They all know how that turned out. Well, actually, fortunately, it didn't turn out badly. Yay, thank you. I'm so empathetic. I will adopt you. I'm your dad now. Yay! Until the third book. What? Oh, sorry, those will come out later. What are they? I can't tell you about them right now, but you know, there are worse things. Goodbye. I mean, I need to take it for a week leading up to it, so it's not going to help me anyway. Might as well take it. Yeah. Really. Gonna talk to me about the cursed vaults? What? Oh, sorry. I just I was a little obsessed with them. Wait, I want the puppy. What, are you dying? No, I'm just leaving. Gosh. I'm so sad about it. I need you to do something, Autumn. Yeah? Can you learn how to be an animagus so that you can be with Chiara during her transformations and keep her calm and Hogwarts safe? What? Never mind. I knew it was too much to ask. What? You do realize I'm 12 years old, yes, and none of the spells I know are defensive spells or protective spells. Only offensive spells. I suppose I could flipendo her away all night, but that would risk hurting her. I mean, so was last month. She got over it. But what if I get bitten and then we're both werewolves together? Then she'll just feel awful. That's great. Remember, she is 12. She will need time to run off to the Forbidden Forest. Oh, okay. Just one more part. It better be. I want to invite her on life-threatening missions. Wow. This is such a bad idea. Lupin suggested I hang out with you while you transform into a werewolf that you can't control. Aww. Or I believe it. What? I mean, nothing. Family! I was talking about my brother! That's pretty cool. What is an arithmancer? Oh, arithmet. So he's a wizard who does math. Man, that sucks. You go to all this trouble of being magical, and then you do freaking math? So her entire job is making people forget things? Man. Look at her bag, the way the model is built, it bends with her leg. Do you have any siblings, specifically an older brother? Because I want to talk about mine. So did your hair turn white when you were bitten, or is that just you? I never have ulterior motives. Surprisingly light considering it's the middle of the night. It's like laser tag in the dark. That's not at all. No, I'm sure it is.